Let's see how to disconnect my iPad from my iPhone. In the first step, open Settings. Now select your Apple ID displayed at the top. Now go to iCloud. Now switch off the toggle for the apps you do not want to sync. In the next step, open Settings. After that, tap on your Apple ID displayed at the top. Next, click on Sign Out. Later, type your Apple ID password and confirm. In the next step, open Settings, then go to Bluetooth. Next, find and tap your iPad in the list. Next, select Forget this device. In the next step, open Settings. After that, go to FaceTime. Next, disable the toggle for FaceTime. In the next step, open Settings. After that, go to Messages. Now, click on Send and Receive. Next, remove your iPhone's number from the list. You are good to go.